I was up in the middle of the night and I was awakened by a fright. Hit the like and subscribe button and, watch the intro play. Okay, so I was up in the middle of the night because I'm always up in the middle of the night, and there was a fright, but earlier in the night there was a cat in my house and it just sent everybody awry.
What the hell going on here?
Anyhow, but I was up around 2 in the morning, so I said, you know what, they might still be up in the Big Brother house. Let me look at those feeds. What did I see? Yes, the HOH competition was had, and we have a new HOH, or a not so new HOH.
What's up, y'all? Who wants to see my HOH room? Let's do it.
Now, how did this happen? How did they allow Jag to play again for the HOH? Because, the rules are if you win one week, you can't play the next week.
We gotta make it make sense.
Yeah. And this just in, everybody, newsflash, Cirie came in second.
Gotcha, bitch.
But the question is, who is going to be the target this week? Miss Felicia seems to think that they want Cirie out. That could be the case, but right now, when I was up watching, Jag was wrapping his turban. And, he had his bun at the top of his head, and he was talking to Matt in the bathroom. And basically, it's either going to be America or Blue. Blue is really the target.
To be very clear, Blue is the target.
Yeah.
It's just how do you get there?
I know.
And they're not going to put Bowie Jane up as a pawn because they need Bowie Jane to take to the final three.
I'm leaning towards Blue and America.
Yeah. I just think it's... Yeah. Well, we might not get a chance.
Because nobody will vote for Bowie Jane as the winner. Nobody.
Because she'll be up there. She'll be all over you.
I mean, and she's just crying those Crocodile Dundee tears. But Bowie Jane, you're no one's target.
Why you're refusing to call her name out, it tells me you have something with her.
I know, just chill while they the HOH and your ass ain't on the block. That's
Knowledge bomb. What's the science, baby?
Yo, baby, shit is wicked out here.
That's all I'm trying to do is not have us, you or me, on the block by making them. That's why they felt like Blue wasn't trusting them. Whatever this shit is America said to them, that started the shit with them.
So, I mean, if say he puts up Blue and America and one of them comes down, who's next up?
Oh my God. What?
Is it Felicia or Cirie? And who would you rather go out who's more of a threat?
Got this stupid ass superhero costume from the VV Superhero Academy.
Possibly Cirie. But everybody in the social sphere seems to believe that this game is rigged for Cirie to win. But if it was rigged for Cirie to win, she would have won because she came in second place. But no, they let Jag play HOH for the HOH comp again, and he won.
We gotta make it make sense.
You have to make it make sense.
We have to make it make sense.
Jag has no competition. He's like the worst of the Cadillacs.
You ain't bad, you ain't nothing.
It's like, do you want the best of the Toyotas or the worst of the Cadillacs? He's the worst of the Toyotas.
You ask for it, you got it, Toyota.
I don't know if that's a good analogy, but anyhow, Jag is HOH again, and I'm about to go to yoga, but I just want to check in with you guys and, offer a spoiler alert. Did I say that in the beginning? Maybe I'll add a spoiler alert so people know, since I probably didn't mention that in the beginning of the video. Anyhow, drop into the comments and like and subscribe.